Jismel Saif. My name is Imam Saputra, and I will the video the presentation the individual behavior according to Stephen. Individual behavior to Stephen P. Robbins in his book Until Individual Behavior and Understanding of Behavior began with a study of the main physiological contribution to organizational behavior. These contributions are divided in four concepts: the attitude, personality, perception, and learning. Individual different in organization, different in dealing with risk, difference in self-discipline, different in adaptability. The organization behavior is a file the investigation the influence of individual, group, and structure of human behavior in organization with the aim of applying knowledge to improve organization effectiveness. The study material is human attitudes toward work, collect reward calculation, and other. Biographical characteristics of individual behavior and age affect employee turnover, abstention, satisfaction, and productivity. And gender marital status, marriage involves equals responsibility that can make a steady job more valuable and important. The greater marital responsibilities of providing for the family also make them more diligent at work. Research suggests that past behavior is the best predictor of future behavior. Evidence suggests that an employer is previous job is powerful predictor of that employer future turnover. Individual abilities that are different between abilities and skill. Ability is person in a talent to perform physical or mental tasks, while skill are talent learned to carry out acts. Types of abilities: mental abilities, verbal fluent and comprehension, inductive and deductive reasoning, associative memory, and spatial orientation. Emotional intelligence is the person's ability to be aware of feeling, match, emotion, motivation, self express empathy, and handle relationship with others. Basic knowledge is practical knowledge that a person acquires. Direct experience, intellectual abilities are the abilities needed to carry out mental activities consisting of numeracy, verbal comprehension, perceptual speed, inductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, spatial visualization, and memory. Job math abilities: the specific intellectual or physical abilities required for adequate performance in a job depend of the ability recruitment of the job. If an employer ability for extent is required to do the job, management will be power the necessary and might also reduce the exploit job satisfaction and cause frustration or stress due to the limitation of the job. Learning the theories. There are their learning theories to explain how we explore behavior pattern normally follows. Classical conditioning. Classical conditioning is a learning process. Normally, is natural stimulus can elicit a new response after being paired with the stimulus that actually follows the response. Classical conditioning is passive. Something happens and we react is specific why in response to specific and regularly event. Operant conditioning. Operant conditioning argues that behavior is function of the consequence people learn to behave in order to get something that want and avoid something that don't want. Operant behavior means voluntary is learned behavior as operant to real unlearning behavior. Social learning, the view that we can learn with the observation and the expansion is social learning theory. Learning is done by observing behavior of the model and also observing rewards and punishment. Here are four processes to determine the influence of the model on individual. Attention process. People only learn from a model if they regard and pay attention. Retention process. Its influence depends on whether the individual remember the model action after they are gone. Motor reproduction process. The observation was the be transformed in action. The informant process the individual will be a motivation to demonstrate that will behavior if there is positive stimulation of reward. Formation of managerial to behavior formation method. Number one, the positive reinforcement response is following something pleasant. And number two, negative response is followed by the occasion of the withdrawal of something unpleasant. The conclusion view from the perspective of organization behavior control is effort to compare the norm of group or organization with the behavior of person of group people. Regarding the concept of the series of control in organization, the opinion that of definition allow each person to control among us after conscience of a certain group. That is an increased quantity of control beyond but the actually that the other group will and must reduce can be said since staff in control management reduce it.